So you want to know how to add a link to a LinkedIn post. I've got you covered. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a link to a new LinkedIn post, but also best practices. Because if you don't do this one thing, you could significantly limit the reach and visibility of your post. If you're ready, click that like button and let's get straight to it. So I'm inside of my LinkedIn profile. I want to click Start a Post. This is where I can upload images, videos, as well as add a link. So let's quickly do a test post. I'm going to grab this, click Next. This is just uploading a file or an image. And say I want to add this link for people to click. So I cannot see the link added just yet. Of course, you can also paste in a link as well. But when I post it, that is when the clickable link is going to show up. So here you can see people can click that link and it opens up in a different tab. This, however, is an easy way to add links, but it is not the best way. Here's why. Anytime you post a link inside a caption of a LinkedIn post, LinkedIn significantly limits the reach and visibility of that post. Why is that? Well, LinkedIn wants to keep you on the platform. And if your posts are consistently linking people to outside platforms, LinkedIn does not want that. So it's going to limit the visibility of that post if that post has links to external resources or external websites. Here is a better way to include links inside of posts that doesn't limit the reach or visibility and still lets you add external links inside of your LinkedIn posts. So here is the post that I made. The best place to add a link is in the comments of that post. So here is the post. I'm going to click comment, and I do this on my page all the time. I will add the link in the comments of that post. And when I click comment, not only does it show all the metadata of that URL, people can easily click that link as well. Every time I promote a YouTube video on my channel, I will put the thumbnail as the image. I'll write a great description in the caption. I just make sure right at the end of the caption, I tell people to check the comments for the link. Here's several examples where I have done it in the past on LinkedIn. This is by far a LinkedIn best practice and the only place you should be including links in your posts. So again, to recap, you want to write out your caption. Right at the bottom of the caption, tell people that the link to the resource, whatever you are linking them to, is in the comments. Not only does that allow people to read through your entire caption, when they go to access the comments and they click on the comments, it's also going to boost the engagement of your post, which is a plus. So not only are you going to increase the reach, you're also going to increase the engagement and visibility of that post simply by adding your external links in the comment section. Trust me on this one. You do not want to put any links in the caption itself. Here's an example of a post I did. So I said 3 things I did that boosted my engagement 62.5% on LinkedIn in 30 days. And my goal here was to actually get people to click the YouTube video that I recorded about content creation. So I gave a lot of value in the caption itself. And then at the bottom, I said, watch the full video, link in the comments. So when you go to the comments of this post, you can actually see I say, watch here, LinkedIn content strategy, how to grow fast. And I linked the YouTube video in the comments and people are clicking this actively, which is awesome. I've also done it on several other posts as well, and it is the best way to boost your engagement. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more quick and easy LinkedIn tutorials. I post a new video every week. Connect with me on LinkedIn. The link to my profile is in the comments. I'll see you there. Bye for now.